Demonstration video lab 2B by Sankalp. So the robot is already in the teach mode, right? The axes have been taught, and now we're going to move the robot. So first we're going to rotate the robot around the X and the Z axis. Okay, now if I rotate about the Z axis, you can see sorry, it says jog in the wrong direction. Let's try to jog in the other direction. You can see that it's slowly rotating. Now the down arrow is the positive X direction. Let's try to move in the positive X direction. So you can see it slowly moving around the X axis. There we go. Let's try the Z axis once again. And as you can see, the rotation going on the opposite direction. Now I've set the speed very slow because it usually gives an error, but as you can see, we can move in either of the direction. Thank you. So this is a demonstration of the work object, right? And before we begin, I'm just gonna show you the motion mode. It's linear. Coordinate system is the work object, right? And this is the work object I've created. That is the work object blue station. Now the robot is already in the teach mode, right? And it's set at an angle where you can see the movement. Okay, so this is the positive X and this is the positive Y. So as we can see over here, it's mentioned. So first, let's try to move in the positive X axis direction, and it's gonna go there. Now let's try to go back. There we go. Now let's try to move the positive Y direction, that is this arrow. Here we go. And if we go back, it's gonna go back to that same point. Thank you. Now we're gonna move the robot with respect to the work object that we have designed for the orange block, right? We're just gonna have a look. So the motion mode is linear, coordinate system is work object, tool is the gripper, and work object is this one. Okay, now let's go. So now the XYZ have been slightly modified because in X-axis, the robot is supposed to move along this, and in the Y, the robot is supposed to move along this. Just to iterate and show it to you, if I do Y, you can see the robot is moving. And if you go back, the robot will be over here. Now, if you do with respect to X-axis, you can see the robot is moving along this axis. And you can see that the robot was able to even move a little bit upwards, as that is the positive X direction that has been described. Thank you.